All right, so we got the
Where are we?
Guy's Pick and Anchor. Got the pulled pork, the beef brisket, and chicken. Coleslaw, potato salad, mac and cheese.
Where's chicken? Oh, I see
The
it.
chicken right there.
Gotcha.
And then I got Carolina sauce that I'll do on the pork, just a little bit. And then I'll do the brown sugar on the brisket and chicken. I gotta try the mac and cheese first, because I love mac and cheese and it's supposed to be really good.
Yeah.
I gotta be honest, it's just kind of average.
Well, but in their defense, you make your own homemade mac and cheese that's like phenomenal.
It's okay. I mean, it's not horrible.
That's funny because I just ran into a girl in my panini line, and that's all she was talking about is how fabulous it was.
The noodles, the texture and everything's really good, but it's not very cheesy. So,
Let me taste it. Give me a bite. I think it's good.
Are you still filming?
Well, I don't know if my face is in there, but yes, I am.
Oh, okay.
I think it's good.
I think it's just average.
You're just
I
snooty.
mean, I would eat it. I mean, it's not like it's horrible.
You're snooty for mac and cheese. I think it's pretty good. I'm not as big of a mac and cheese fan as he is.
All right, we're gonna try the brisket.
I thought it was good.
That's pretty good.
Brisket's good.
Yeah, got a good, like a real peppery taste, but it's good. And the sauce is pretty good. The brown sugar sauce.
Yeah. What's that?
We'll try one more brisket.
Oh, brisket again.
It's pretty good. It's tender, but it's not as tender as I would like it to be, but it's not bad. All right, now we gotta do the chicken. That's pretty good.
Chicken's good.
Yeah, the chicken is pretty good. So I think it's a chicken thigh. That's pretty good.
Good.
I like that more than brisket, actually. All right,
What's
This
that
is
one?
the pulled pork.
I was gonna say, have you tried that
with
yet?
the Carolina sauce. That's good. Pretty good. The only thing I'm a little bummed about is it's cold. It's not very warm. But it tastes really good. All right, so we got the potato salad and the coleslaw. Oh, wow. The potato salad's really good. There's something in it I can't figure out.
I'm glad you like that because I know you were like, I don't know. We'll see.
I do like the potato salad. It's not a traditional potato salad that I'm used to, but it's really good. The mustard, there's some kind of weird mustard, but it's good.
Weird mustard.
Unique.
Unique.
All right, here's coleslaw.
The coleslaw
I'm a little
is
concerned
purple.
about this coleslaw.
It's different looking than what you normally get.
I like it.
You do like it?
Didn't think I was gonna like it.
Yeah. He said that before I turned the camera on. He's like,
It's kind of mild, creamy. I don't like a ton of flavor on my coleslaw, so maybe use a little bit of salt, but I do like it. It's pretty good.
Your overall opinions of Pig and Anchor.
Good. It's not as good as I had hoped, but I would eat here again.
Yeah.
You know, it wouldn't be my first pick, but it's decent. It's not horrible.
There's an indoor setting, and then there's this beautiful outside. So
Well,
he actually got his food here on the outside.
The other thing, we're eating lunch. Maybe dinner is better. I don't know.
Yeah.
I'd like it to be a little bit warmer. Overall, the food is good. The wait to get the food was a really long line. Took a while. Kind of slow. But I wouldn't say I was upset or it's good.
You're not convincing me.
Out of 5 stars, I'd give it a 3, maybe. So.
Okay.